In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana with Slack 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have Asana connected to Slack so you can turn conversations into tasks and see updates where your team already collaborates. You only need access to both tools and permission to install apps in your workspace. Let's start inside Slack. Open Slack on your computer or browser. On the left sidebar, find the Apps section. If you don't see it right away, scroll down or hover to reveal more items. Some workspaces tuck apps under a More section. In the Apps view, use the search bar to look up Asana. When it appears, click Add, then select Add to Slack. Slack will guide you through a brief confirmation so the app can connect. Keep the prompts open until you see that the Asana app has been added. That's all you need to do from Slack. Prefer starting from Asana? That's just as easy. Open Asana in your browser. In the top right corner, click your profile photo and choose Apps. This page shows all integrations available to you. In the search field, type Slack, then click Install. A permission window will appear. Approve the permission so Asana can send task updates into Slack and allow Slack to create or update tasks in Asana on your behalf. These permissions are standard for this integration and you can remove them later if needed. Once either method is complete, Slack will show Asana as a connected app. You should see the Asana app listed in Slack's apps area, confirming the connection. If the add or install button is grayed out, it usually means the integration is already enabled in your workspace. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you can't find the apps section in Slack or the apps option under your Asana profile, your organization might restrict integrations. In that case, check with an admin to enable app installations. If you use multiple Slack workspaces or Asana organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before you add the integration, so updates go to the right place. And if the permission screen doesn't load, disabling any pop-up blockers for a moment can help the authorization window appear. That's it, you've connected Asana with Slack using either Slack's apps directory or Asana's built-in apps page. And Slack now recognizes Asana as a connected app. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, consider following along for more straightforward walkthroughs like this one.